Hello, welcome back to my channel Lomzy Sews. In today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how to make this cowl neck top. If that's what you want to watch, continue watching till the end. So I will see you how to cut and sew a cowl neckline, a sleeveless cowl neckline. In the last video I made the one with sleeve. This one is going to be a sleeveless cowl neckline. So I have with me my fabric. I'm using chiffon fabric to make this. You can use satin or any on or Duchess. What I have here is 45 inches, as you can see. So now I'm going to fold it into triangle form, as you can see, and then I'm going to fold the end of the triangle to get my shoulder width. So here I have folded it. I'm checking if I have up to my shoulder width, which is 7.5, and that is what I have here. Now next I'm going to take down the armhole length, which is 10 inches, and I'm going to mark it here. So you go ahead and mark 10 inches for your armhole. So remember, we have gotten 8 inches for the shoulder width. I'm going to drop it down at the armhole neck like this. And next I'm going to get the neck width, which is 3.5, and I'm going to come down here by 1 inch and connect this like this. Next I'm going to get the real neckline, which is 4 inches, and mark it here. I'm going to come down by 1.5 and I'm going to connect the neckline like this. From here I'm going to take down the length of the top. I'm using 25 inches plus hemming allowance and joining allowance, which will make it 26, and that's what I am marking here. Remember, my hand is still on the end of that place. So on the armhole line, I'm going to divide my bust by 4, bust divided by 4, which is 10 inches, and that's what I'm going to use. I'm not adding anything to it, no sewing allowance, and I took it down all the way like that. Next I made my armhole curve, and I'm going to cut this out. This is the back that we're working on. With this back we're going to cut out the front. So I'm going to cut out this. You can use this for your facing, or you can use bias for your facing. I went ahead and folded the other side of the fabric into triangle like this, and again I'm going to take the back and place it on the fabric like this. I shifted it. Can you see what I did? So I'm going to make sure I get up to 7 or 6 inches at least, and then when I get that, I'm going to fold this in and fold like this. So just watch what I'm doing. I'm just making sure that the shoulder touches the end of the triangle. If you have watched the other video, you will see how I made this. So I'm going to cut this out with this silhouette. I'm cutting just the shoulder, I'm not cutting the neckline. So you go ahead and cut it out. Guys, this is very simple and easy to make. You can make this under 30 or 1 hour. So I just went ahead and reduced the facing for the front. We are going to cut this out. I'm just going to open this like this. You see how the cowl neckline is looking. So I'm going to go to my machine after hemming the neckline and close this like this. I will do the same thing on the other side. So let's go to the machine and join this. So I decided, this is the back. I decided to use bias to tape the neckline of the back. If you have watched this video up to this time, please give this video a thumbs up, and if this is your first time coming across my channel and you have not subscribed, or you have been watching my videos and you have not subscribed, please, this is the right time for you to subscribe. On this channel I upload sewing tutorials and DIY, so if you want to make trendy sewing projects, make sure you subscribe to this channel. This is the channel you want to be. Oh, you're still watching and you have not subscribed. Oh, please, that red button there, make sure you subscribe. And you have subscribed and you have not given this video a like. Why don't you do so? Or don't this video deserve that? Please do give this video a thumbs up, a big one at that. Okay guys, next I'm going to join this into the hole that we have made after making the bias. Whenever you're making this type of projects, make sure you always overlock your hems. So now I'm done with the bias. I'm bringing the front and we are going to insert the back, the shoulder of the back into the hole, the slash that we made earlier, and I'm going to sew that. You go ahead and do that to the other side. If you can notice, you will see that I have overlocked the facing of the front, so go ahead and overlock that. So can you see how it is? I'll go ahead and put the same thing, repeat it the other side. Just insert the shoulder of the back into the hole that we made earlier on. Next, because this is a sleeveless top, the next thing I'm going to do is to close the side seam. So you go ahead and close the side seam before we start working on the armhole.
So many times that I miss you. I know how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger issues.
To hem the top, I'll first of all overlock the side seam before I start hemming the lower part. So guys, from here, just keep watching to see how I'm going to use bias to hem the armhole. You will understand when you watch that. So guys, happy watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Make sure you watch till the end so that you don't miss any sewing tips and tricks. I tell you.